Hello friends, welcome to SRO channel. Let's educate with SR. Friends, today we are going to discuss about direct indirect speech. Before starting the lecture, I request all of you to subscribe my channel as well as like and share it. So let us talk about direct indirect speech, and uh, I'm going to explain this topic with the help of a table. So here is the table. While solving direct indirect, we must understand four types of sentences. There are four types of sentences, and here there is the table is giving all the information about how to solve direct indirect speech. So let us take about the first assertive sentence. How to identify assertive sentence? There are two types of sentences in the direct indirect. The sentence which is given outside of the double inverted comma, the sentence is called reporting sentence. Okay, here is the example. The teacher said. The teacher said sentence is given outside of double inverted comma, so it is a reporting sentence. Okay, and here you have done the work, the sentence is given in double inverted comma, so this sentence is called a reported sentence. So there are two types of sentences. One is reporting sentence and another one which is given in the double inverted comma, that sentence is called reported sentence. Okay, so we must understand first of all reported sentence. Okay, if reported sentence is in the assertive form, if the reported sentence is in the imperative form, if the reported sentence is in the exclamatory form, or if the reported sentence into the interrogative form, then there are four types. With the help of these four types we can solve direct indirect. So let us take assertive sentence. If reported sentence in the assertive, how to identify assertive sentence? So trick is very simple. Assertive sentence usually begins with subject and ends with full stop. Then imperative sentence, how to identify imperative sentence? Imperative sentence usually begins with main verb. Sometimes if the reporting or imperative sentence, if imperative sentence is began with please, so that sentence will be called as request sentence. Okay, but though the please is there, but it is also considered imperative sentence. I will tell you further. Exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence, how to identify exclamatory sentence? So exclamation mark is there in the sentence. And interrogative, it is very simple. In the end question mark is there. And there are two types of sentences. One is verbal and another one is WH type sentence. WH type sentence means the question begins with WH words, it is called WH type sentence question. And verbal question or verbal interrogative, verbal question begins with helping verb. Now we discussed which is the reporting and which is the reported sentence. Now I'm talking about the reporting sentence. In the reporting sentence, if the reporting verb is given in the present tense, no change is occurred in the tense of the reported speech. Understood? If another condition is, in the reporting sentence, if the reporting verb is given in the past tense, then in the reported speech every present tense will convert into concerned past tense. Let me explain you how concerned past tense is occurred. Suppose simple present tense is given, that simple present tense will convert into simple past. Present continuous will convert into past continuous. Present perfect will convert into past perfect. So concern past tense, that reported sentence tense will convert into concern past tense. Now the third condition is, in the reporting sentence, if the reporting verb is given in the past tense, and in the reported speech if there is also past tense, then that past tense will convert into concern perfect tense, concern past perfect tense. For example, simple past is there, will convert into past perfect. Past continuous tense will convert into past perfect continuous tense. If a past perfect is there, no change is occurred. If past perfect continuous tense is there, no change is occurred. Okay, so let us take some examples here. The teacher said, you have done the work. Here the teacher said, now here it is assertive sentence. Why? Because you have done the work, you it is subject, and SVO form is followed here, so it is assertive sentence. Assertive sentence is joined with the help of that, and if says to is there, it will convert into tells. If said is there, it will convert, said will remain as it is. Said to is there, then it will convert into told. But here what? Only said is there, so I have to take as it is. The teacher said that he or she or they had done the work. So they have, present perfect will convert into past perfect. Let us take another example. The teacher says, now here reporting verb is says. Now, and in the double inverted comma, present tense is given. So the teacher says that no changes occurred in the tense. He, she, if he and she are used, then instead of have, here has is given. I have colored, same colored I have given there. If they is used, then have must be taken and done the work. Here tense is not changed. The man said, open the door. Now here see, the man said, open the door. Here, open the door means the sentence begins with verb. Here, if the sentence begins with verb and ends with full stop, so it is called imperative sentence. So here, the man said, open the door. It is imperative sentence, and which is and the sentence for joining two sentences, to is used, and said will convert it into ordered, requested, commanded, suggested. Means here, according to the sense of the reported sentence, we can use any verb. Okay, but according to the sense of the reported sentence. So here, let us take open the door. It is a kind of order. The man, then said will convert into ordered. The man ordered. Now why did I take ordered? Because said is in the past tense, so order will convert into also ordered. The man ordered to open the door, full stop. Let us take another example. The boy said, how beautiful the flower is. Here, how beautiful the flower is, an exclamation mark is there, and before that we learned that if exclamation mark is there and the sentence begins with how or what, at that time we can consider it is exclamatory sentence. That conjunction is used, and said to convert into exclaimed. Here also we are going to apply the rule. So with the help of table, how we can solve the paper, how we can solve the WH direct indirect, and it is very easy with the help of the table. So here let us how beautiful the flower is. Now before solving the sentence, we have to make the exclamatory sentence, we have to convert the exclamatory sentence into assertive form. So here assertive form will be, I have written there, the flower is very beautiful. Now the answer will be, the boy exclaimed, because said will convert into exclaimed because it is exclamatory sentence, and that conjunction is used here. We learnt with the help of it is given in the table. The boy exclaimed that the flower was very beautiful. So here first of all you must convert the sentence into assertive and then do the direct into indirect. This rule you must apply with the interrogative. There are two types of interrogative. One is WH type question and another one is verbal question. First of all the WH question you must convert into assertive, and also all the verbal questions you have to convert into assertive form, and then you can solve direct into indirect. Here it is an example, a few examples, two examples are there. The student said, why are you going there? So first of all I have here drawn an arrow there, and I have taken that why aside from that sentence, and if we take why aside, or if we take why if we remove why from that sentence, then what will happen? What will remain? Are you going there? So are you going there is there, you have to change into assertive, so that will be you are going there. Now solve. The student said will convert into asked. Okay, then why, as it is we can take, because same WH word is used here while joining the sentence. It is, we have seen here WH word is used. Okay, so why I have taken, then you will convert into he, or you can use she, you can use they. But if you use they, so was will convert into were. So why he was going there, full stop is taken, not question mark. Here full stop must be here full stop comes, or full stop must be used. Now the father, another sentence, verbal sentence. Let us try the verbal sentence. The father said, will you complete it? Now here it is very simple, there is no any verbal WH word, so sentence is very simple. You first of all convert it into assertive, you will complete it, then solve. The father said will convert into asked. It is what? Verbal. So verbal sentence, while joining two sentences use if or whether. Okay, so I have used here if or whether. You can use only one, if or whether. If would be appropriate. Okay, because here if you use if, so it would be very easy to understand and it would be very easy to remember it. Okay, so the father asked if he would complete it, because there are two types of whether here, whether and whether. Okay, so there would be jumbling, so instead of using whether you use if word. Okay, so this is all about the table. If you remember this table, if you understand this properly, the table, if you understand the table properly, so there will not be any problem you will face while solving direct into indirect speech. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.